Welcome to another Weekends in My Garage. Today we are live from the Washington, D.C. Convention Center at the Washington, D.C. Auto Show. As you can see here, we're going to take you on a tour of some of the cars that I'm interested in because I'm looking for a new car for my garage. So some of you guys know I have the Toyota Avalon. This is the replacement for the Avalon, the Toyota Crown. So we're going to take a look at this car. The Crown replaced the Toyota Avalon 2 years ago. We're going to check it out. I don't know if this is going to be my replacement for my Avalon, but we're going to see. So this is the Crown Platinum. Looks like it's black on black. So now let's go inside. Instrument cluster. Pretty nice in here. Pretty nice. I like the feel of the steering wheel. Cup holders. Pretty deep. Soft touch material. Not bad. I do like these rims though. These rims are nice. I think these are 22s, 21s. Very nice. So this is the Platinum, and it's $56,000. And it has the hybrid max engine, which is the 300 plus horsepower engine. The one thing I do not like is that this does not have a tilt sunroof. It's just a sunroof with a shade. You cannot open up the sunroof to catch fresh air. Over to check out the Grand Highlanders. My wife has a Highlander, which she loves. Hey babe, what do you think of this one?
It's pretty nice.
I like they have chrome rims on it. Isn't that cool?
Yes, very nice.
Nice size cluster. Oh, it is much larger.
Yeah, this looks nice. This has the
Yes, I like this. I wish they had it where you can drop the seats down automatically by hitting the button. The Lexus version of this vehicle has that capability.
It's a Lexus.
It's a Lexus.
Yeah.
This is a red version. I don't like the red. I do like the dual exhaust.
It's smaller than that one.
It's the same one. See what it is the seats are, the rear seats are up. This look familiar?
I like this gray.
You like that gray? I like it too. It's a little bit understated.
Yeah, it's like a brownish gray.
Yeah. This is nice. Look at that interior too. Oh, it's got a brown leather interior in here.
This is for grown-ups, not for people with children.
Yeah, this is a little bit different. But I like it though. Same 3 rows seating.
So that could be.
I like this. 25th edition Highlander. So this is not even the platinum. This is not the platinum.
Platinum over there on the end.
Okay, thank you. Let's check out the platinum.
Two captain seats in there. I would get a bench.
You would get a bench seat? Why? So you can sleep in the back? So this is what I thought for Olivia, but
This is very cute.
I thought this for Olivia. And this is yes, I believe so.
This is cute.
I like this. Yeah. Yep. RAV4. This RAV4 costs as much as the Highlander.
Right.
It's popular though.
Yeah, it's very cute.
Cody, I like your light up shoes. Those are so fun.
Very popular. And you know, they made the front design a little bit more attractive.
Yeah, that's what makes it cute.
Yeah. Because it used to look a little bit
Yeah.
chunky. Now it's a little smoother. Sleek. Yeah, that's a good word. All right, so where are we off to next? Look at the Acura MDX. This is the all-wheel drive advanced edition of this car. Black on black interior. We're looking to the dashboard. Very nice dashboard. Seats feel good too. I like the stitching in the seats. The one thing I appreciate that Acura did in this version of the MDX is they removed the little dial they used to have at the center console. That dial used to be the way you would operate the infotainment system. Now it is a touch screen, which is way better for daily driving. Ambient lighting, as you can see. Sunroof, I should say moonroof. Front and rear passengers. Nice. So, babe, you like this car? All right. I think. Am I gonna buy it for you?
Yes, for me.
Well, we'll see about that. So, you think this is worthy for being in our garage?
Of course.
All right. Well, we'll add it to the list of cars worthy for being in our garage. Volkswagens. Yeah, I like this. So this is the Atlas Cross Sport. I actually like this too. What do you think of the interior? Starting at $37,000. Not bad. Rear tail lights. And let's take a look at the interior. Large screen. Perforated leather. I like this. I do like this. I wonder about the reliability of Volkswagen. My wife had a Jetta some years back, and we had trouble with that. Always taking it into the shop. It may have been just the Jettas, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. How do you like the rear seats?
Okay, thank you. This is very nice.
You like the rear seats?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go back in it.
I like the sunroof too. Oh, very nice.
This is nice. Put lots of.
We are in the Jeep area and we're checking out. Oh, this is nice. This is the Grand Cherokee. They've been around forever. They're very nice. It is huge.
Yeah, that's mine.
Very, very nice. I'm waiting for that. Ah, see, that's smart. See, they have push button controls to drop down the seats as well as raise the seats. That's smart. If you're going to pay that kind of money, you should have those conveniences.
I don't like the interior. Hello, Angela.
All right, so we're taking a look at the interior. No, I can't move the seat back. Nope. Well, so this is the Summit version of this vehicle. I do like the texture. This is the perforated and quilted leather seats. I do like the color too. This is a nice vehicle. Here, very, very popular vehicle. Huge too. Huge. Look at that. All right, step into this. Oh yeah, I like this. I do like this. Large screen. It feels so spacious in here too. Hey babe, what do you think it is? No? It's too big?
It's too square.
It's too square? Hey.
It's a true third row though.
No, it's a true third row.
Yeah.
And see the smart thing they did?
The buttons.
Yep, so you can lower and raise these by hitting a button. Yeah, well, you're gonna spend that kind of money. This is expensive. Cars here. Aston Martin. Very, very nice. Oh. Can I come in? Thank you. All right, where do I begin? Let's start to the right with the Ferrari. Very, very nice.
Excuse me. That is a beast.
Yep. Now, if I had the proper garage and a proper bank account, I would add this to the collection. Nothing sounds like a Ferrari, I must say. Nothing sounds like a Ferrari. Classics. Definitely would love to have this in the garage. The Magnum PI is over there.
Yeah, okay.
Yep.
Well, I mean, technically they were the same car, the 355s.
Yeah.
So this one's just 355 coupe, Pininfarina versus, you know, like convertible versus T-top.
Look at that color. Very nice color. It's a different kind of red, almost a burgundy red. They have a ton of Ferraris here. And here's the famous Magnum PI Ferrari. Nice. And this is one Aston Martin I would love to have. Very nice. I think what sets this apart is the color. Color of the exterior as well as the color of the interior, which is amazing. You got matching calipers with the interior. I'm glad they upgraded the infotainment system because they had a dated infotainment system in the Aston Martin. Believe it or not, you spend almost $300,000 for this and they have a dated infotainment system. So they made some updates. If you're gonna spend that kind of money, have the latest tech for your dollar. So to wrap this up, the Washington D.C. Auto Show was an interesting experience. Had a lot of interesting cars. Nothing that I was really interested in purchasing per se. I enjoyed spending time with my wife at the show. She shared with me the cars that she would like for me to purchase, which was funny. But overall, it was not bad. I look forward to going to the New York Auto Show this spring. And in between now and then, I'm going to go hit some dealerships and see if I can find the car that's going to replace my current car in my garage. But until then, have a wonderful weekend and thank you for watching Weekends in My Garage.